How to add items and categories. There are two ways to add items and categories in Loyverse. You can add it from the POS and the back office. Adding items and categories from Loyverse POS. It's quick and simple to add items and categories in the Loyverse POS right from your smartphone or tablet. Once you are logged in, press the three-line button at the top left corner, which is the main menu. Select the Items section. To add an item, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. In the Create Item page, you can add details such as the item name, price, and other details such as the SKU and barcode. If necessary, you can pick a color and shape for the item icon or upload its picture to display it on the sales screen. Don't forget to save changes. Systematizing your items by categories will help you to manage them. You can add categories while adding the item, or you can go to the Categories page and follow these instructions. In the Items menu, tap the Categories button. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. Specify the category name. Select a category color. Tap the Assign Items button to assign items to a new category. Select items and save your changes. Don't forget to save your settings. How to add items in the Loyverse back office. In the back office, you can have access to more features for the item. Go to the Item List menu. In the Item List, click the Add Item button. In the Create Item form, fill in the item name and choose the category. If you deselect the checkbox, the item is available for sale. It will not be seen in the items list in Loyverse POS on a mobile device. Whether an item is sold by each, bottle, package, or by weight, pound, kilogram, it is determined by the Sold By option. Fill in the price field with the selling price of your product. When you fill in the cost, later you can get helpful reports about your profit, margin, etc. The field SKU, Stock Keeping Unit, is required. It is filled in automatically. However, you can indicate your own SKU. The main requirement is that the number must not be repeated in other items and should not exceed 40 characters. You can use numbers and letters as well. Fill in barcode, if necessary. You can choose the options, Composite Item and Track Stock in the Inventory section. By enabling Track Stock, you can add the quantity of your stock level and the quantity at which you will receive the low stock notification. If you have multiple stores, you can manage each store's item parameters in the Stores section, change the price, in-stock quantity, and quantity for low stock notification. In the Tax section, you can choose the taxes for your item. In the Modifiers section, you can choose the modifiers for your item. In the Representation on POS section, you can pick a color and shape for the item icon or upload its picture. Note, Loyverse uses only square images for item preview. If you upload a picture with a different shape, you will have a dialog screen to crop the image to a square. Adjust the square to fit the portion of the image you wish to keep. Click the Confirm button. Don't forget to save changes. Enjoy working with Loyverse POS.